This isn't just any Le Mans Lister, but a Le Mans Lister with Lambo doors. Welcome to John Cleese Car Orders YouTube channel. Yes, this is a Le Mans Lister edition. Not the most excitable installation video today because we didn't actually do much on this, but we couldn't let it go without getting a video on something as rare as this. I think there's only about 20 of these and probably the only one in the world with Lambo doors as far as I know anyway. Love it or hate it, it's very cool. There is another XJS on our channel soon to be dropped, or may have already been on our channel, where we did do a real large audio system on one. That's worth a watch. But this has just been in for some basic solution products just to get the customer up and sorted with some niggles they were having. For example, the central door locking was not working on this vehicle, so we've replaced the motors in the doors, and then we've actually given the customer, believe it or not, remote central door locking on the car of this age. So now he's got a fully fledged remote locking system. Can't use it right now because the doors are obviously up in their higher position. So he's got remote central door locking now just for convenience, because clearly the customer just wants to be able to walk up and push the button. We wide it up to the indicators so they get a visualization that the car is locked and unlocked. And then what we've also done is we've done a few electrical fixes behind the scenes just because they had little niggles not working, like interior light circuits, stuff like that. At the end of the day, we know what we're doing with automotive electrics, so we can fix little niggles. We've also fitted a new head unit in the dash. Now, it's a bit of a different solution to what we would normally fit in a vehicle like this, because normally you'd have something like a Blaupunk radio or Continental or something that's more period look into the vehicle, but the customer was adamant they wanted awesome radio reception and awesome phone call quality. Now those units, they're good, they're a solution product, they look great, but actually from the operation, believe it or not, another brand might be suited better for your needs. So we put a Kenwood inside the dashboard. Customer was happy with an aftermarket radio. I mean, they've got Lambo doors on the car, so we're not about originality on this car. So we've got a Kenwood unit fitted in the dash, which picks up DAB and gives him Bluetooth phone call quality and allows him to play his music through the system as well. And it is easy to use, far easier to use than the Blaupunk, because gentlemen wanted simplicity. The Blaupunks are good, as I mentioned, they're very good, they look good, but they're not the most convenient and user-friendly system. So we've got an easy to use system and we've got a reliable product, and it's fitted in this stupidly rare Le Mans Lister. 7-litre V12 in this thing, believe it or not. Absolutely mental beast in this year. But yeah, just couldn't really leave it without at least getting a video, walking around it, having a look, because we have never had one in before, and we're probably never going to have another one in here again, I don't think. Don't see many of them. No, that is it. Electrical sort outs, remote central door lock-in, replace the door motors, and fit a stereo in the dash. And that is it on this Lister Le Mans edition. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll do other videos on all the classic cars we can when we have time, because we see rare ones like this all the time, but we just never find the time to stand in front of a camera and show you it. But we'll keep trying, we'll keep uploading. Don't forget to support our channel, we really appreciate it. It's Connor from front of the camera. From all the boys at John Cleese Car Audio, we'll see you soon.